Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Ngày đi chinh đầm nào tận này?
Tôi tìm ổn, chanh bịp tết tôi stop shop. Lâu mà đọc lành vào green, tôi tìm ổn, ngày ní bơ đêm ổn.
Cha dụ mà này, chật sắp này.
Mình ổn xài bùa này đó. Nó ngày xài bùa này. Chà khó hơi.
Hai tàu stop shop mình mà mình tính mà này là.
Tôi cho mùi chùm rơn, mình tính ban chả nè. Bạn kroj bột sát, bạn mặn no, bạn cookie, bạn chip, hay cái tinh ice cream. Đừng tinh ấy tiết món chả nè, món ăn. Cái tinh món mù lô pi chan. Hay nói tè nó men sạch rụp chiên hay miền kho. Hay bà kỳ cái tinh cake ơi mạ cái.
Ok.
Men ấy ta con cháu anh nhắc nè ai năng. Ngay ở Tết chung con cháu tao con nơi mau bị Boston. Mau bị riêng nữa vì ta đi nấu Boston. Khuôn đi bẻ kỳ với mau. Lâu cái thơ bơ đây ơi mạ cái.
Ai đang? Ai? Ngày đi tận này.
Tao shop.
Tàu stop shop đây.
Tao
tao tính chip tính ấy.
Tao tính chip. Chính chip ấy. Tao tính chai. Chai happy birthday.
Birthday ngày ní anh.
Ngày ní anh.
Hai birthday lần đi. Ôi lùi mà.
Tên nhà nụ ảo vậy. Tên cà phê ảo vậy. Cà phê. Tên cà phê ảo vậy.
Tên ảo từ cà phê đấy.
Yeah.
Miền Tây gì thế?
Miền này. Tên nhà nụ.
Hay mình mạ tinh kroj tinh ấy ạ. Tập bèng bài chú chê chê.
Kroj tinh bài chú chê mà no.
That's it?
Sẽ đây. Này. Rồi vậy.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Where are we going to party today, sweetie?
Chan's house.
Oh, that sounds so exciting.
Yeah! Today is a good day.
What's the occasion?
It's Chan's birthday.
Really?
We're getting, well, I'm not gonna say that on.
How old is she turning? 70?
34.
34? That's good. I'm only 24. She's only, what, 10 years older?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. We run young in the family, huh?
You sure do, those Asian genes.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Cái camera nó.
Really?
Lặp kia đi nhắm mặt bán này, mình noa đá.
Hay là mami thấy kìa?
Hả?
Là mami thấy kìa?
Chết mình no. Bọng bàn tê nhắm hay đau chả cả chân nó xua. Con cháu này trong nhắm mình hót bà lạc đài gì vậy cái?
Dạ.
Kia là môn trâu chê tao ở hot wheel này kia nè. lucky មកតែចាអត់មិនសាច់មន់ណាសាច់មន់ឲ្យញ៉ាំហើយតានិយាយយូរទៅហៅអា lucky ចៅ
Mà mình nó chăm đau chơi đấy.
Đau xua nhầm. Hay bạn nè lụa cái đau chả cả vậy. Đừng nhầm tao việc ấp lại đây đây. Thì đừng thời chăm tôi mình xua chặt trôi chặt nhầm mà thế. Dây pin son vô tao tinh tham cái chó ấy.
Yeah, but they have to like they have to be here by like 1:30. Like they're gonna be here. Because my dad has to leave school at 1:30.
Cái flick nó khơi vì dây tha tao tinh tham cái chó.
Yeah, Nick's always wanted to go. Just ask your damn question.
I'm trying to figure out where it is.
Oh.
It's really close to
I was like, Jesus, she doesn't care where it is. Well, yeah, but
Oh, I
like.
know what you're talking about.
Yeah, like
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you.
Me.
Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
Those are so good, Tom. She's 21. Don't even bother reading them.
Thank you, everyone,
You're welcome.
for a yummy cake.
What kind of cake is it?
This is tiramisu.
Oh,
I know that.
are you sure? I think Becky got you vanilla.
Okay. I already make a wish.
Wish already.
Oh, wait, let me take a picture. Okay, go ahead.
How old are you now?
1.
I'm just turning 21.
21 forever. Lucky one.
Mom, we'll go over here after. Okay.
Wait. Happy birthday.
Hi,
Give me the
Lucky.
card.
You wanna come up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let's eat cake.
Yay!
All right.
Thì nó chết tích mở.
Oh yeah, everyone take a picture.
And I keep saying it. But you don't have any bills. What are you saying? I'm saying it.
I like to pretend I have the same problems as the average college student.
Tiramisu. I know.
Soup.
Yeah.
The majority.
Smile.
With coffee.
okay, mommy.
Okay, I'm gonna.
You go.
I don't see a single one. The color.
He's
like, I want to give her a present too.
Mom, Bear and Courtney bought you
Actually, I am
balloons.
49.
Thank you for balloon, Bear and Courtney. This is my birthday.
Okay.
Vâng.
Happy birthday, mẹ ơi.
Thank you, mommy.
Me too.
Thì các birthday ở ban ơi con
That's a beautiful card
Birthday.
from my mom.
Like, yeah.
I got
She didn't get
Louis.
Oh, for me. Mom, I need to thank you.
Thì bà bơ.
Ô lối đàn. Money. Nặng.
Đang châu. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
My dad needs to relax.
วันนี้มาทอดเมื่อตั้งมาเลย
Thank you.
I already got it.
Courtney went by herself. Well,
I was there.
Oh, my favorite coffee.
Oh. Just look at how he's just standing there. He's just standing there like.
I got a gift too.
Hey, take a picture.
I did
I have a present.
picture.
Oh, is someone taking pictures?
Oh, okay.
Go get my camera.
Let's just pretend.
You go get my camera.
Alright, I'll just sit down here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm good.
That smile.
I can't smile that much.
I'm not taking
Smile.
pictures.
Look cheese.
Pass.
And receive.
Lucky, you have present too? He's so cute.
For me?
Lucky.
Oh, that's it. I'll help me.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Smile up too.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, you want to give
One
this
more.
to her?
1, 2, 3.
You give to
All
her. Okay. Okay, happy birthday, mommy. Lucky, you give these to her. Here you go.
You can lift him up. You can lift him up.
Don't let him eat the cake.
This is from Jeanette
And
Sam.
Lucky.
You gonna open it?
Oh yeah, I open it.
It's car keys to your new Lexus!
Rose
For your Apple Watch.
Bên nhà pot
You
ra.
can change the band.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'll change later.
You mean she'll have
I
the bus
You said it for her.
Bên nhà pot ra. Tao mấy?
Oh, his arm came out. Okay, you good?
And
It's cold this morning.
what
I
else?
took him out at like 10:30.
And a candle.
Oh, what scent?
What flavor?
What flavor?
What flavor? It's like a.
Ooh, that's nice.
Wow, so
It's
sad.
like an orangey.
Fruition.
I'll take that.
Nice. I like fruity scent.
Thank you,
You
Jeanette.
want to see? Look.
Okay, come on. Look.
Oh, look at this thing. It's a boy.
Oh, I blinked.
Lucky.
2, 3.
Lucky!
One more.
Lucky!
Lucky.
Lucky outside.
Who can change this for me?
Janine.
I don't know how. I'm not an Apple user.
Okay, me and Nick will go take a picture now.
Oh my goodness, is that the
I
slice
buy you
of
the
beauty?
cake.
Huh?
Is that for you?
Thank you.
Out for you.
Both of you.
Is that
Thank you.
Am I doing a good job? Is that the slice of beauty
Oh,
I see?
yeah.
That's the slice of beauty. She's been on hiatus for 4
Ready?
years.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, Becky, you look skinny in this.
I am.
Wait.
ที่มาทอดเป็นยังไง
It's a good angle.
Family both ทำไปแต่ไหนหาทำไม่
Oh,
มา
I was just talking
Mom,
about
why did that whenever you say family pictures, like you have to be so mad? Like, okay, family picture, hurry up!
Yeah, I need to cut a cake.
Thì căn oi ngam tao thọt vì nè cho nên nuôi mà.
Mommy,
Let's
family
go.
picture.
Mom, did I get the age right though?
Biết xem.
Mom.
Nope.
Did I get the age right?
Not yet.
Bye, Nick.
Not yet.
Did I?
Oh, này, wait.
How old are you turning, Jack? 21 or 22?
21.
21. And what kind of cake are you getting today?
I got tiramisu.
Yeah.
It's a lot of layering.
Yeah, yeah, Bác Yay.
No.
Bác Yay.
Rồi phụ đang muối.
I am. Put down. No. It's fine. Put down here for you. Big one for you.
Cái này cho mình
I think you're good, Mom, after that.
oi này.
Mom, some here. Eat the strawberry. Yeah.
Okay.
Listen. Oh, sorry, Lucky. Oh, sorry. I asked. I picked the side. If it doesn't fit, we'll get the other side. It came in a day, so. My mom has chubby wrists.
You don't have to do it, sure. Yeah.
This yours?
I don't have the rest.
I would
like chubby breast. I don't care.
ជាងនេះអ្វីញ៉ាំ
Yummy.
Grandma. I guess you don't really have to put that one on there.
No, I think you do it so like it doesn't fit. You know what I mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
That's just, it's an accessory. It's not required.
I find it like fits better. I don't want to like rip this.
Go eat your food.
Yeah, it's on.
You have your own food, baby.
Let her see how, if we need to take any off.
Take one out. Jen, how do you do it?
Yeah.
I think you need to take one off.
Too loose.
Too loose.
Yeah. Becky, I don't know. I can do myself or you can do it.
Here, you do it. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you have the nail.
I know, this is so hard. How do you do nails, Mom? How do you clip it?
Becky.
Okay, go ahead. Wow! Show them!
1, 2, 3.
What did you get for the Apple Watch, yeah?
I'm sorry?
What did you get for the Apple
A new
Watch?
band.
The new bands from my sister-in-law and my brother.
The white person?
Yes. No, not the. What are you saying? Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. I love it.
I mean,
It matches.